Today we will see exercise 12.1. In that question number 1, the radii of two circles are 19 centimeter and 9 centimeter respectively. Find the radius of the circle which has circumference equal to the sum of the circumference of two circles. So here there are two circles are there. That is, one is radius of 19 centimeter, okay, and another is radius of 9 centimeter. Okay. So here there are two circles which R1 is equal to 19 centimeter and R2 is equal to 9 centimeter. So find the radius of the circle which has got the circumference equal to the sum of this circumference of these two circles. So let us calculate first the circumference of these two circles. So the circumference of circle for the first circle, that is the circumference of first circle. So this is first circle and this is second circle. So here the circumference, the formula is equal to 2 pi into R1. So here 2 pi into R1 is nothing but 19. So here 19. So this is equal to 38 pi. So now the circumference second circle is equal to 2 pi into R2. So this is equal to 2 pi into 9. So which is equal to 18 pi. The sum of circumference of two circles is equal to, sum is equal to 38 pi plus 18 pi. So this is equal to 56. Okay, 56 pi. What we have to find out the radius of the circle which has got this much of circumference. So here 2 pi r is equal to 56 pi. So here r is equal to 56 pi divided by 2 pi. So pi cancel. So this 2 ones are 228. So radius is equal to 28 centimeters. So this is the circle which has got a radius r is equal to 28 centimeter. So that the circumference of that one, it is equal to the sum of the circumference of these two circles. Okay, we will go for next one. Exercise 12.1. Here question number 2. The radii of two circles 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter respectively. Find the radius of the circle having area equal to the sum of areas of the two circles. So there are, again here there are two circles, that is one circle of radius 8 centimeter, okay, and another circle of a radius equal to 6 centimeter. This R1 is equal to 8 centimeter and R2 is equal to 6 centimeter. So now we have to find out one more circle which has got the area equal to this plus this, and we have to calculate the radius of this one, that is R3 we have to calculate. So now the area of the first circle, here this is the first circle and this is second circle, okay. The area of first circle is equal to, that is area formula is equal to pi r square. So here pi into r means here radius, that is 8 square. So 8 is 64. This is 64 pi. So now area of the second circle, which is equal to pi r square. Here r is nothing but 6 centimeter. That is pi into 6 square. So 6 is 36. So this is 36 pi. So now we have to calculate this third circle which has got the area which is equal to the sum of these two areas. That is sum of area of two circle is equal to 64 pi plus 36 pi. Okay. So this is equal to 100 pi. So now we have to calculate this radius so that the area is equal to 100 pi. That is area is equal to pi r square. So here area is equal to 100 pi. Okay. So which is equal to pi into r square. So pi cancel. So r square is equal to 100. R is equal to square root of 100. So which is equal to r is equal to plus or minus 10. Or here plus 10 we have to take because the distance will be always positive. So this radius is equal to, that is R3 is equal to 10 centimeter. Okay. So now we will go for next one. So exercise 12.1 in that question number 3. Here this figure depicts an archery target marked with its 5 scoring regions. From the center outwards as gold, red, blue, black and white. Here this is a gold, red, blue, black and white. So the diameter of the region representing the gold score is 21 centimeter. So this diameter is equal to, that is gold ring dia is equal to 21 centimeters. and each of the other bands is 10.5 centimeter. That is, here the diameter of the region and the each of the other bands is 10.5 centimeter wide. So here this is 10.5 centimeter, this length. Okay, this is 10.5 centimeter. So this is wide. So find the area of each of the 5 scoring regions. So each area we have to find out. Here gold ring diameter 21 centimeter. So the radius will be 21 divided by 2. So which is equal to 10.5 centimeter. Here the gold ring diameter is 21. So hence its radius will be 10.5 centimeter. So the area of gold ring is equal to pi r square. That is pi into 10.5 square. Okay. So the pi is nothing but 22 divided by 7 into 10.5 into 10.5. Okay. So the value will be here 346.5. Okay. So this is centimeter square. So this is the area of this gold. Okay. So here I will write gold area is it 346.5. So this is all square centimeters. Okay. This is gold. So now I will write afterwards red. This is blue. Okay. This is black. And this is white. So these we will write afterwards. Okay. So now after this gold, the width of this one will be 10.5 centimeter. So here the radius from this to this, here this is gold. So this is red means here the radius of this to this is equal to 10.5 centimeter and this width is also 10.5. This is also 10.5 and this is also 10.5. So the radius of this red. So hence the radius of red band is equal to 10.5 centimeter plus the width of the band, that is 10.5. So this is equal to 21 centimeter. So hence the area of red, here the area of red and gold will come here because it is included here. This point to this point we are taking the radius. So this area of red plus gold will come here. So pi into r square. So here pi means 22 divided by 7 into r means 21 into 21. Okay. So 7 3 is 21. So 21 into 3 into 22. This is equal to, so this is equal to 1386. This is centimeter square. Okay. So now here what happens? The only area of red, that is area of red only is equal to, that is area of red plus gold here minus area of gold band. So here this is equal to 1386 minus 346.5. So this is equal to, here this is 1039.5. Okay, this is centimeter square. So now here 1039.5, here 1039.5. This is centimeter square. So now we will go for blue one. So now here the area of blue one now. Area. So before going to calculate area, the radius is equal to, see here, from gold to here up to this 21 plus 10.5, that is 21 plus 10.5. This is radius. So here this is 31.5 centimeters. So now area of gold plus red plus blue, both, all three it will include. So this is equal to what? Pi r square. Here r is nothing but 31.5. So here 22 divided by 7 into 31.5 into 31.5. So this one equal to 3118.5. This is square centimeter. So now here only area of blue it will be equal to, so here area of here gold plus red plus blue, okay, minus area of gold plus red. Okay, so area of gold plus red, this is 3118.5. So minus area of gold plus red here, this is 1386. Okay, so this is 1386. So this is equal to 1732.5. This is square centimeter. Okay, 1732.5 square centimeter. So now we will go for black. So here also this I will shift here. So area, that is before going to that one, radius of black band is equal to here what, 31.5 plus 10.5. Okay, here 42 centimeter. So now area of gold plus red plus blue plus black, so which is equal to pi r square, that is pi r square. So here pi means 22/7 into r means 42 into 42. Okay, so 7 6 42. So here this will be equal to 5544, so centimeter square. So now here this one, area of black is equal to area of this total G plus R plus blue plus black, okay, minus area of gold plus red plus blue. Okay, so now this is equal to here this one 5544 minus this is G plus R plus B, here 3118.5. okay, so this is equal to 2425.5. okay, this is square centimeter. So here 2425.5, this is 2425.5 centimeter square. So now we will go for white. So now here the radius of white band, here the radius of white band is equal to 42 plus 10.5. okay, so here 52.5 centimeter. So now the area of gold plus red plus blue plus black plus white, this is equal to pi r square, that is pi r square, here pi 22/7 into 52.5 into 52.5. okay, so this is equal to 8662.5. okay, so now the area of white band is equal to the area of total area of gold plus red plus blue plus black plus white. okay, here minus the area of G plus R plus blue plus black. okay, so here this is equal to 8662.5 minus here 5544. okay, so 5544 is G plus R plus blue plus black. okay, so now here 3118.5. okay, this is square centimeter. So here 3118.5, this is 3118.5 square centimeter. So here what he has asked, find the area of each of the 5 scoring regions. So here these are the answers. So here gold, red, blue, black and whites. okay, we will go for next one. So exercise 12.1, in that question number 4, the wheels of a car are of diameter 80 centimeter each. Here one car, that wheel diameter here is equal to, that is 80 centimeter, here 80 centimeter. okay, so how many complete revolutions does each wheel makes in 10 minutes? okay, when the car is traveling at 66 km/h. So here, so for one revolution means it is equal to 2 pi r. okay, so 2 pi r is nothing but d/2, that is r pi into d. okay, so here d is 80 centimeter, so 80 pi, so that is the distance is equal to 80 pi centimeter for one revolution. This is for one revolution. So now here speed he has given, that is speed is equal to 66 km/h. okay, this is speed. So here for 10 minutes, that is for 10 minutes how much distance it is going. So here for 1 hour means for 60 minutes, it is the speed is, for 60 minutes it is be 66 kilometers. okay, for 10 minutes how much it is, that is 66 divided by 60 into 10. okay, so this 0 0 6 6 1 6 11. So here 11 kilometers. So for 10 minutes, it is going 11 kilometers. Okay. So what he has asked, for 10 minutes, how many revolutions it will take? So for one revolution, okay, for one revolutions, here 80 pi centimeter, 80 pi centimeter means it is to be converted into meters, or this can be converted into centimeters. For 80 pi centimeters, it is taking one revolutions. For this much of distance, that is for 11 kilometers, how many revolutions it will take? This is the question. So 1 divided by 80 pi, this is in centimeter. So here 11 kilometer, this has to be converted into centimeter. That is 1000. If you multiply, it will become meters. So another 100. So this will 1. So here this is equal to, 1 1 1 2 3 4 5 divided by 8 into 22 divided by 7 means into 7. So this is equal to, see here, this is 4375. So this is equal to 4375 number of revolutions. This is number of revolutions. Okay, this many number of revolutions are taking for 10 minutes. Okay, if the car speed is 66 km per hour. Okay, we will go for next one. So exercise 12.1, in that question number 5, tick the correct answer in the following and justify your choice. If the perimeter and the area of the circles are numerically equal, then the radius of the circle is. Here it's very easy. See, the perimeter, we know that the perimeter of a circle, that is the perimeter of circle, is equal to 2 pi r. Okay, and the area of the circle, that also we know, area of circle, which is equal to pi into r square. So now what he has given that if the perimeter and area of the circles are numerically equal, so as per statement, that is 2 pi r is equal to pi into r square. So pi gets cancelled, 1 r will be gets cancelled. So here r is equal to 2 units. This is r is equal to 2 units. So this is the first option, that is A is 2 units. This is correct. Okay, thank you.